Hi guys! Ayong hapon sa inyong tanan and welcome to my Batangas home. And now we're here at my balcony. I just want to say thank you to Bernhardt, Mavericks and MDécore for making it really homey and beautiful. So now as you can see, we're here at my lounge area and I'm gonna introduce you a very nice chair. It's called a Ventura swivel chair. You can move it like this and that. And of course, they added an accent table from Bernhardt. It's so cute. It matches everything. And of course, we have here a marble knot from MDécore. It's so cute. And I like the shade and everything. It's quite heavy, but it looks very chic there. And the plants, it's so lovely. They're so lovely. Just want to say thank you to Pot Suppliers Manila. And you know me, I'm just a simple girl that likes black and white, everything together. And I love that they made a painting area for me here, which is super relaxing for me, plus the weather like this. And I can't wait to show you my airport dining table. I never thought of something like this before, but they told me that this is inspired by vintage airplanes. Can you believe it? And look at that. It's very sleek. I think I haven't seen anything like this before. That's why I'm super happy and I'm super kilig. Super kilig, uy, Jude ako. And of course, we have a very nice dinnerware from House of Laverne. And if you guys can just look at it here, you can take a look and zoom it in. It's really wonderful. And I can't miss the centerpiece. It's a little cute elephants over there. Here. It's from MDécore, right? So yeah, I'm super in love with them. Brunch. I love chorizo de Cebu with rice and suka beside on it. My Zoe. Eating with family. Yes, I make sure before I go back to work and everything. Adobo. Super lami yung adobo. You should try it. Super good. It's kind of sweet lang, but I don't know, parang it's a taste of childhood. Everything, first of all, I like it because it matches my style. The designs are super unique. Thank you guys for making it really good. It looks very good and it's parang a picture out of a magazine, you know? It's amazing. Chada kaayo. I wanted to look really simple and I just sent some photos that I really wanted. Like, I wanted to look like a farmhouse and homey. That's the most important thing. And Bernhardt was able to deliver and I love it. Actually, it depends on my mood. Sometimes abstract, portraits, and it's amazing how it makes me feel so good. I'm so into activities that will make my emotional being really at state, and I'm all for it. And I like how you made this area super chill, and whenever I'm on a break from work or I'm not doing anything, I can just sit down here and read a book and paint. I started with acrylic because I was really impatient. But when I get to know oil, I was like, oh, this is nice. I can make mistakes here. Because acrylic, the bite dries up easily. And with oil, I can just blend whenever I want or erase and restart again. I love coffee. I'm a big fan of coffee. I think it's my lifeline. Without it, I can't function. Iced. For me kasi, importante is recharge. You have to recharge when you have the time. because it's a luxury nowadays. And if you recharge and you go back to work like nothing happened, you can do whatever and just focus on your goal and do whatever it takes to get it. That's my thing. You might think I'm that old, but I'm not old. I just feel old because I'm a mom. But I like Don't Dream It's Over. And the second one would be Sailor Song. Third is Fortnite. Guys, please do not forget to check Bernhardt and MDécore. Browse through my curated selections. It's amazing and you're gonna like it. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to check Bernhardt, Mav Furniture, and MDécore for my curated selections.